Welcome to madecv.com. What is your name and nationality? What is your name and nationality?
My name is Sharon Rose Parsan. I'm a Catholic.
And you're from?
I came from the Philippines.
Okay, how old are you?
I am 38 years old.
Are you
I
single
have
or
two
married?
kids.
You have two kids, okay?
I have two kids and I am married.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so when would you be able to start working?
Anytime if have available.
Anytime. Okay,
Uh,
so uh, do you have relatives in Qatar?
no.
No. Okay, please describe your last job. What was your last job?
My last job I work in Dubai for almost 4 years.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm working also in Kuwait for almost 2 years also as a caregiver for a newborn baby.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so
And
when you worked as a housemaid, uh, what were your duties and responsibilities for the local family?
I am a housemaid of local family in Dubai. No
Mm-hmm.
babies, but I work all around household.
Household chores, such as, do you also wash clothes, iron,
Yeah, all around.
all around? Okay.
I wa- um
Mm-hmm.
I washing the clothes, cleaning the
Mm-hmm.
house, cooking.
So you also do
Uh,
cooking. Okay. So what did you like the most in your last job? Cleaning, cooking, washing, or
Cooking,
ironing?
ironing.
What? You enjoy doing what?
Again, ma'am.
What did you enjoy doing? Cleaning, cooking, washing, ironing, what?
On that.
What? Cleaning, cooking, or ironing? What did you like most about your last job? What did you enjoy doing? Cleaning, cooking, ironing, washing clothes, what?
Cleaning the house.
You enjoyed cleaning the house. Okay. So describe in details how do you perform your tasks for each location in the house? How do you clean the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, the toilet, and which part of the house are you going to clean first?
Okay. First, cleaning the the toilet first.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I brush the hair inside the floor of the toilet.
Uh-huh.
Then I put the disinfection
Mm-hmm.
in the bowl for 5 minutes, and then I flush the bowl.
Mm-hmm.
Then I wash the floor with the
Okay.
soap, and then until that drying until that after finish the rinse, drying the
Drying the
wet clothes.
surface. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Then
Okay.
after the wet clothes,
Mm-hmm.
drying the dry clothes,
Okay.
and then I rinse in the things inside the toilet.
Arrange the things inside the toilet. Okay,
Yeah.
so for the bedroom, how many times in a week do you have to
For
change
the
the bed sheet?
bedroom, first, I clean the dust all from from the top.
Mm-hmm.
Then wipe
Okay.
wipe the cabinet,
Uh-huh.
the board of the bed. Until that, take cleaning the floor. Then take off
Mm-hmm.
the pillow,
Mm-hmm.
the cover of the bed. After that, arrange the bed,
Okay.
and then
Anything else? And then?
I arrange all the things in the cabinet inside the bedroom, so my employer can see that the bedroom is arranged already and clean.
Okay. So what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
I call first my employer and asked her if have somebody come to ask for me to take it. What should he want the guy outside? After after my employer asked for me the from permission from my employer.
So do you know
If
how to
my,
cook?
yeah,
What kind of foods you can prepare?
Arabico. I
Arabic.
bake a cake.
Okay.
I make it the Arabic bread.
Arabic bread. Okay. Okay. So can you follow instruction in cookbooks?
Yeah,
You
I
can.
can follow. If I have a recipe, I can follow that recipe.
You can follow the recipe. Okay. So describe in details why should your employer choose you?
If my employer choose me as a housemaid,
Okay.
um, I do my work. I do my work.
Well.
Yeah, I do my work well, and then I don't lose her trust for me.
Okay.
And then
Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you, Sharon from MaidTV.com. Thank you.